Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're texturing this Kiridashi, so stay tuned. Here we go. Alright, welcome back. Let me get this out of the way first. Down below are all my affiliate links to Amazon. So anything I'm using, like my cameras and some of the belts and all that, are down below. Shirts and knives are on my website. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Alright, let's do this. What I want to do is put a rock pattern on this Kiridashi I made before. So this is going to be a really quick video. No setting up, no slow motion. We're just going to go right to the grinder and start in. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here we are at the horizontal grinder. You can also do this on a regular grinder. And we're just going to randomly hit it. Just like when you do your G10 or whatever. And we're just going to put it, I'm not going to come down here because this side is the bevel side, but I will come and hit it on here a little bit. And we're just going to randomly hit it. You know, turn it, turn it, turn it. I do have to be careful because this is almost sharp, so it will cut me. Alright, here we go. Well, there's our start. So let me put a smaller wheel on. Let me hit a few more spots back here, then we'll put the smaller wheel on. Alright, now we'll put on the small wheel. I'm going to start with this one, then we'll move down to this one if we need to. We're getting there. Let's put on the smaller one and see what we look like. Voila, and that's about it. We just have to sharpen it up, and she should be done. Yeah, man. It's weird. It's a lot different doing it on a belt than it is. I mean, it's a lot different doing it on stainless steel than it is doing it on a knife handle. Definitely a lot different. Alright, back to the bench. Alright, change of plans. I need to do some Kydex, and I've never done one. In fact, this is my first Kiridashi anyway, so I want to figure out how to do a Kydex sheath for this. But let me show you this. If you watched the last video where I failed to heat treat it and doing all that, I'll put a link right up here to it. Check it out. Bam! I got a little bit sidetracked doing the Anzo pattern, went a little crazy and overdid it here. But man, each knife is coming out real nice. Look at that shine, that's right off the grinder. No hand sanding. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the whole progress of it. So, we got to make a sheath for this and a sheath for the Kiridashi. I'm going to do all the heating and all that, the Kydex folding and prepping and all that on time lapse, because I'll put another Kydex video up here too, if you need to see that. Alright, let's get on to the time lapse. Alright, the next one is wrap. I decided I've got this handle finished and everything's done, so we're going to wrap and do this one too. Yeah, man, that came out nice. I redid the handle, put this little groove in here, so now it fits right in the hand. Yeah, man. This one will be up for sale pretty soon, so you might want to jump on it if it's still there. Let's get this done. 1, 2. Oh, let me plug this in too. Get the oven heating up while I'm getting this all taken care of. Ooh, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. What I'm thinking about I'm gonna do is I'll cut all this off, like down to here, and bring it down to here. So it comes out and comes out here. So this slides right out. You know, make it kind of straight. Come up in here. And that way it'll just slide right out. In theory, hopefully. I've never done one of these. Put a hole here. That way you can carry it as a neck knife too. Alright. I'll be back. I went ahead and just drilled these off camera. You know, easy, just lay them out. This one I just kind of eyeballed, but this one A lot of people like to use those tech locks, so I usually do it every 3/4. So that's those. Let's see this last one. Ta-da! Oh yeah. Ooh, we got a crease right here, but luckily we're cutting that out. That was close. Yeah, man, that's close. You gotta be careful with stuff like that. If that happened up here, we'd have to do it all over again. This is so smooth, retention is probably gonna be the screws. That's one thing I used to forget, because I always do my stuff and leave the screws out. So, screws can definitely be a retention point, so. Alright, bam! Man, this came out a lot better than I thought. Look at that. Boom, boom. Right back in. Pow. No movement at all. Boom. Just like that. You gotta watch out, you're gonna hit right into your fingers. Bam, just like that. And this one came out perfect too. Listen. Oh, listen to that snap. Yeah, man. But 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Look at this one right here. OCD will never let that pass. Time to make another sheath. Man, it had such a nice snap too. But that one right there, it's kind of loose too. I think I put too much tape on it. That's the problem. I think I put actually 3 or 4 on it, but yeah, so that's unacceptable and that's unacceptable. Anyway, I think that's about it. I extended the video. So I was finished editing. Today's Thursday. I was finished, but I'm going to add this on. So hopefully we'll have this up Saturday. So the Tanto should be up on the website pretty soon. I just have to redo the sheath and all that. But tomorrow's going to be sharpening and logos and all that, which I'm not going to film. So, but I mean tomorrow as in Friday. You'll see this Saturday, so hopefully it'll all be done. Alright, I'm rambling. Thanks for watching. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike it, but if you dislike it, go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me what I can do to improve, or just tell me you hate me. Either way, can't win them all. Alright, thanks for watching. Amazon links down below. Shirts and knives down below and on my website. Hope you're all having a great day, and as always, take it easy. I got a little bit sidetracked. In time. I'm gonna do all the. I need to do some Kydex, so I figured I'd figure out. It looks like this is so smooth. The retention's gonna be these.